So being that we can't get out, thank God, I feel sorry for the people that's homeless and out in the street. I pray that they find shelter. We have some drinks down here for the guys. Just put up some snacks for them. I left them a note because I'm going back to retreat to my room. I said some snacks for you guys. Stay warm. Love you, Mom. Just put out some little things for them. That's some nuts right there for them to have protein. Got a little Max, some pretzel rods, some ramen noodles. Back here, I just got them some Swiss Miss Cocoa so they can stay warm. Some little fruit cups. Some snack bars, Nature Valley. Got them some little tuna fish snack packs. I just took stuff out of my pantry to set out for them so they, probably don't feel like cooking. I know I don't. Got them some packages of tuna, all types of tuna fish, some crackers, and just something to keep them energized and just a little something I laid out for them on the table. Tonight I might make some tacos. I don't know. But they'll tell me, Mom, don't cook. Lay down, relax. So anyway, I took out some ground turkey that I was going to make some tacos with. But if I don't do the tacos, they got stuff to just like hold them over and snack on. Thank you. This is just a little video to show you guys how we're living here in Jersey. That snow is down and it's constantly coming down. I might take you outside in front of the door if my legs will let me. Welcome to Deborah's Delicious Dishes Kitchen here in Orange, New Jersey. Giving honor to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ because he's so worthy to be acknowledged and praised. Because without God, there could be no me, no you, no us. I love him so much. He's my everything. So guys, this is our Northeastern right here in Jersey. This is right across the street from my house. Oh my God, is this crazy or what, guys? That's my car covered up. Wait a minute. Try to get to it. In the driveway right there to your left. You can see the back of it out. My son went out there last night to try to cover it. But, no, that didn't work. But this is how we are living here in Jersey. And it's still coming down. Oh my God, that's crazy, right? See, on the street. Oh my God, it's crazy. This is us. Just a blanket of whiteness. Sometimes it's good for things like this to happen because it makes the world quiet for a while. This is out my back window. That's my neighbors in the back. And you can see all my stuff in glue down in the backyard. Well, no, mostly up because we put it up for the year. So the chairs we just kind of like put to the side, and the trampoline is just covered with snow. I don't know how we're going to work that out, but it is what it is, right? This is Jersey. Well, a little tad bit of it. Let me see if I could get a picture of the trampoline out the kitchen window. Okay, so that is the trampoline in the back, covered with snow. And you can't see over this rooftop, but that's where all my chairs and stuff, some of them are knocked down right there. Like we turned everything over, but take it down that street. Yeah, it is crazy. Like you can't even see the width, not the width, the depth of the snow, but it's a lot of snow. Yeah, let me show you what I have put up. OMG, guys, look at this. Now that's all my little light fixtures that's like embedded in the snow. This is the bush right here in front of my house that I keep all the lights on. Is this crazy or what? This is the front porch. I'm just opening up the door. And the wind is blowing. Oh my God. I can't even go on the porch because I wouldn't even try to anyway. But this is how we're living. Look at that. My pathway, like when you come through the house, look at that. It's all covered up. I mean, like it's high. And this is the front of the porch. Oh my God, that's crazy, right, guys? Try to get you down there. Oh yeah, it's crazy. All over there. Jeez. Yeah, let me go back upstairs. Just wanted to show you. This is Jersey's noise. And wow. That's crazy. Okay, folks. Like I said again, this is how we're living here in Jersey. Everybody be safe. Stay warm. God bless.